Hello, croeso i'r Fenter. Welcome to the venture, and you're here on the first day of Ven'S Shed. We've already had the British Red Cross here, and today I've got a special guest, and I'll let you introduce yourself.
Hello there, my name is Roger Beer, and I work for an organisation, a charity in fact, called PRIME Cymru. It was founded by Prince Charles in 2001 and initially set up as an over-50s charity to support people who were out of work and considered on the scrap heap. We still operate as an over-50s charity, and we have volunteer mentors who can guide people through helping them into what they want to do, whether that's volunteering, working, finding education. And locally on the ground, I myself am a project developer for the organisation, and I work through Wrexham and Fenter doing similar things, but now working in conjunction with the Welsh Council for Voluntary Action, using active inclusion funding to support people who are either 54 and over and who are economically inactive, or people who are 25 plus and who are what they term as long-term unemployed. And for the purposes of this, that's looking for work for 12 months or more and currently claiming benefits such as job seekers allowance or the universal credit job seeking element. I travel through the area and I'm quite flexible, I'm not working from an office, and I can come out and see you, whether it's in the venue here, Sean, or whether it's at a job centre or somewhere else, or if there's somewhere nearer to your home that's more comfortable for you, such as a library or a coffee shop or a tea shop. We can go and sit and have a drink and discuss what's best for you. Anyway, that's me, so I'll put you back over to Sean.
So, the Ven'S Shed, obviously the link here is over 50, so this is the first project at the venture that is working primarily with older people. Obviously we normally work with children and young people, but we're going to be based here, not in this shed, unfortunately. As nice and realistic as this looks, this is actually a pop-up that's kindly been given to us by Delith from Wrexham County Borough Council. We will be on the playground and in the workshop outside, and again it's for people over 50 in the local area or the wider Wrexham area, and if it's all about what you need. So if you want to come and have a cup of tea and a chat, you can come and do that. If you want to get involved in doing perhaps some maintenance work or helping us do the landscaping of the adventure playground or the children's centre, you can come and get involved in that. If you want to access services like PRIME Cymru or the Alzheimer's Society, I know the dementia support worker for Wrexham is going to be popping in and helping us with the work that we're doing. And like I said earlier, we had the British Red Cross. So yeah, if you want to have access to those agencies, those organisations, and you want to get out involved in your community and doing something with other people over 50, then this is the project for you. We are just starting today, so come and get involved in something that will be tailored for you. Please share, please get in touch if you'd like more information, but for now, diolch am wylio, thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Ta-ta everyone.
Bye.